Welcome to another edition of Journey with Josh, and this time I have Doug with me.
Hey.
In this video, we're going to travel halfway across the world to Santorini, Greece. 2 years ago, we took one of the most amazing cruises and got to experience Santorini and Olympia, Greece in person. The sights, the sounds, the colors of Ia and Santorini were just stunning. While we were there, we took a break from touring and had ourselves a vegetarian platter with hummus and tzatziki and vegetables. It was a delicious, healthy, and refreshing afternoon meal. And that's what we're going to do in this series. We're going to bring Santorini home through food with a little help from our sponsors, spoonabilities.com. And if you like this video, hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that notification bell to be notified of all the videos that I upload. Thank you for joining us, and let's get started. First, we're going to show you how to make hummus. It's a simple recipe, but we've never made it before, and that's the fun of videoing us while we make this, so you can see how easy it is for yourself.
Or we botch it.
Or we botch it. The recipe calls for 1.5 cups of cooked chickpeas that are peeled, 1 clove of garlic that's minced, 2 to 3 ice cubes, 2.5 tablespoons of tahini paste, the juice of 1/2 lemon, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and olive oil that we got from spoonabilities.com.
So other than this olive oil, all the other ingredients we were able to easily find at Publix. Although I say easily, the tahini paste I've never bought before, and regardless of where I looked, it wasn't anywhere I looked. I finally found it in the kosher section. They had plenty of it, but anyway, this recipe is good for 4 people. If you have more people, feel free to double it, triple it, depending on the size of the crowd you want to serve.
The first step is you're going to add your chickpeas and your garlic to the food processor, and you're going to puree that until smooth. Loud noise coming up, people.
Push this stuff back down. But it is getting dry and powdery like. The next ingredient. Put that in.
While processing, you're going to add ice cubes and tahini, salt, and lemon juice.
Tahini first.
Now you're going to blend this until it's silky smooth. That's the lemon juice and the ice cubes and a little bit of salt.
Put a little bit of water.
Spill a little bit of water. have our containers here to put this in. Okay, there's one. I'll let you do that one.
Oh, you got some on the side.
So good. I'm excited about this. I've never done anything like this.
That good?
A bit more. There.
A little bit messy.
Okay, so clean that off. For one of these, I'm going to top this with a Kalamata olive and oregano spread that I got from spoonabilities.com.
You've probably seen hummus in the store and everything. You can top it with all kinds of stuff. Red peppers, you can stuff or top it with pine nuts, basil. We got some good stuff from Spoonabilities here.
Oh my God, that's good.
As our toppings.
That stuff's good. That stuff is good.
Want the red pepper?
Yes. This is the red pepper. There we go. Mmm. There. And that's all you need, just a dollop. It's about a tablespoon. And there you have it. Hummus with your Kalamata olives and oregano, and hummus with your red pepper, and what was it? Red pepper, roasted red pepper and tomato dip. So I can't wait to dig into this. This is going to be a lot of fun. Okay, on to the next one.